is our planet. Landforms and bodies of water are on Earth. A globe is a model of the Earth. Do you see the United States on the globe? Can you see Texas? Use your classroom globe to find your community. Look at the map of the United States. Do you see your city or town? Maps cannot show every city and town. Maps usually show larger cities. Do you live close to any of the cities on the map? Have you been to any of the cities on the map? Look at the map. Do you see Texas? What large bodies of water are next to the United States? The middle part of the United States is sometimes called the plains. The land there is mostly flat. In the west, the Rocky Mountains can be seen from miles away. In most parts of the world, there are oceans, rivers, lakes, and streams. But in deserts, like the Sahara Desert of Africa, there is almost no water at all. Natural resources are found across our state and our country. A natural resource is a thing found in nature that humans can use. Water, trees, and oil are natural resources. What natural resources are found in your community?
The word resource has a couple of overlapping meanings. It's used to create an asset or a supply, and similarly, it's also used to describe the wealth of a country or the way a country produces wealth. Countries consider a lot of things valuable resources: wood, oil, coal, natural gas, crops, livestock, and even the people who live there. Resources found in the natural environment are called natural resources. They are plentiful on our planet, but need to be managed wisely in order to benefit the most people. There's a term for that: resource management. It requires the people in a community to plan when and how much when it comes to using their resources. Good management is so important, especially for non renewable resources or resources that can't be replaced. Things like oil and coal, for example. We can't make more of it, which means the supply is limited, and if it runs out, it's gone. Thankfully, some resources are renewable, like wood. A new tree can be planted when an old tree is cut down, but still, it takes 50 to 200 years to replace a full grown tree. And the way trees are harvested can cause problems too, adding to pollution and ruining ecosystems. Without resource management, even renewable resources can be mishandled. Did you know people are a resource too? They're called human resources. The best way to cultivate our human resources is education. As people become more educated, they're better prepared to contribute to their families and their communities. Learning about resource management now will help you become a responsible resident of our planet, helping to save it for future generations.